Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. Rugged laptop or rugged tablet? Which one is better for you? Well, let's talk about it a little bit, and then while we're doing that, why don't you guys think about how you're going to use the units. So, a rugged laptop is going to have a bigger it's going to have a keyboard that's larger and easier to type on. It's also going to have more ports, so you're going to have more USB ports. You'll have a serial port typically. Networking port, RJ45 jack. It'll have wireless, of course. It'll have the ability to put a CD drive in it, or maybe a secondary battery in that multi-bay right there. So those are some of the things just off the top, but that is different from a tablet. But if you take a look, you're also going to get a larger screen. Now, whenever we talk about tablets, and then one I got here is the FZG2 ToughPad tablet. You're not going to have as many ports, all right? But you do have the ability to upgrade a tablet with additional ports, especially with the Panasonics with the XPack technology. You can put additional ports here. But I think one of the big features is just lightweight portability. So you're able to move around with this tablet a lot more. It also includes a webcam in the front and a camera for the back. So you can walk around and take pictures or video, whatever it is that you may be doing at the time. It also has programmable buttons, whereas the rugged laptops typically do not. Now, there is no upgrade for a CD-ROM, so you would, or DVD or anything like that, you would have to have an external one. Now, but in today's world, is that really important? It's a question you have to ask, do I really need it? So I think the two big differences between these is the laptop is going to have a nice keyboard that you can type on with a big screen to see what you got to see. Regular laptops typically come with daylight readable screens, just like the tablets. It also has a mouse built in so that you can use it. It'll be touch screen, so you can use the touch ability. The tablet, again, will be touchscreen, but there's no keyboard, and you have fewer ports, but it is lightweight and way more portable. So really, it's going to depend on how you're going to use the computer that you choose. Well, that's all I got for you today. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.